Bria. You know what, Ate Mel Canete, I'm just gonna apologize for all my mistake. Why was I why I tried to accuse against you? Because you got a false accusation that I realized that I side with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. You know what, Ate Mel Canete? Can you just shut your mouth? Even those CDIFI teachers and staff. Oh, I've been reconciled with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. How would I say I make enemies with him? How would I say I make fake account on his Facebook to use his name? For me, me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, we are not enemies. We are friends. Actually, if we are friends, we are not enemies. Oh, Ate Mel Canete, you got the false accusations. Even Ate Marie, even Ate Emily, even Teacher Marisa, even other teachers in CDIFI, but I do not include Teacher May because Teacher May was in the house. Do not blame me. You know why I try to accuse CDIFI? You're threatening me to arrest me in the police. How come? I'm not normal. I'm not saying I'm a criminal. Who would you say I'm a criminal? All of you. For me, I'm not here to pick a fight. I am here to give lots of concern and reprimand. And I said, why are you blaming me? Why are you blaming anyone? I'm not doing anything to all of you. Even you, Wawel Romero. Because I know I criticize Wawel for using photos of J. Rick Silva when I try to accuse her. You know what, CDIFI, teachers and staff, I know you're a puppet of Wawel Romero. Can you just shut up? I've been reconciled with the Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. I've been reconciled with Paula Nunez. I've been reconciled anyone. There's nobody to be accusations. I know if you accusing me, you will be happen to Jordan Bunagan. You will be happen to Paulo Cruzada. All of you. Is this what you think it is? You know what, Ate Mel Canete? You're an asshole. You're stupid. Do not blame anyone. Look at me, Do I make a prank call in the telephone? Do I call many times in CDIFI in the telephone? No. But I already stopped. You know what, Ate Mel Canete? You're a Zionist. You must be stopped. You know, CDIFI teachers and staff, even Ate Dina, you must stop also. Shut your mouth. That's all. This is really stupid if you're making me an enemy. If you're trying to bash me, if you're not, me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, we are Duterte supporters. We are supporting for Palestine. We have our own opinion. That's all. This is not will be happen. Like I said before, CDIFI, teachers and staff. Why can't you just learn something more? And Teacher Alex, I know you are deactivating your other Facebook account. Deactivate your another one. I thought Teacher Alex, Alexandra Pagkalinawan, has a 2 Facebook account. One of them it's disabled or deactivate by Meta. I've been experienced that in the first hand. My old Facebook account was disabled and deactivated. But I created the new. Oh. This is why I'm gonna say to you, all of you, see, DIFI teachers and staff, Teacher Alex, delete that Facebook page of CDIFI. CDIFI is no longer exist. It's disowned. This dissolved already. Dissolved. Oh, if I tell to Ronald Rebena, if I tell to Teacher May, oh, it's already dissolved. Oh, that means CDIFI is no longer exist. It's already destroyed and it's already dissolved. Oh, it's already collapsed. It's already what is that word? Oh, destroyed. Oh, because I know it's demolished. Oh, forget about that CDIFI. Let's move on in the past. Oh, this is why